What if a cartoon pierced the veil of time, predicting our fate decades in advance? What if The Simpsons brushed off as mere entertainment, concealed warnings for 2025, economic collapse shaking nations, artificial intelligence rewriting leadership, cosmic phenomena defying explanation, a celestial event shattering the heavens? Absurd? That's why it's unnerving. Matt Groening's Springfield isn't just a show, it's a prophetic lens. Tonight, we decode 5 chilling predictions embedded in its episodes, each a harbinger of a future we're already entering. This is Stellar Realities, and you're about to uncover secrets they never meant for you to find. Subscribe now, stay until the end for the most alarming revelation, and prepare to face the truth. A zombie apocalypse. In the 2009 episode Treehouse of Horror 20, a virus transforms Springfield into an undead nightmare. Bart, uniquely immune, creates a vaccine to save humanity. A Halloween prank? Hardly. In 2025, Nature reports scientists revived a 48,000-year-old zombie viruses from Siberian permafrost. Arctic ice hit record lows this year, unleashing ancient pathogens. The World Health Organization tracks mysterious viral spikes in remote regions, with 2025 cases up 15% from 2020. X posts with over 500,000 mentions speculate about bioweapon labs, citing 2022 lab leak controversies. The Simpsons has predicted pandemics before, like the 2010 Osaka flu episode mirroring COVID. Could this be the next plague? Consider, permafrost holds 1.5 trillion tons of carbon, and 2025's heat waves are accelerating releases per Scientific American. Conspiracy theorists on X link this to military experiments, recalling The Simpsons' shady government plots. If zombies rise in 2025, how will you survive? Share your plan in the comments, and like this video to sound the alarm. Hover cars reshape our world. In season 16, episode 15, Future Drama, aired in 2005, Springfield skies are filled with flying vehicles, a vision of a futuristic society. Science fiction? Not in 2025. Joby Aviation's electric air taxis are in test flights with FAA certifications approved this year. China's $300 billion EVTOL investment projects commercial flights by 2026, per Bloomberg. Urban skies could replace highways. But The Simpsons hides warnings. Could hover cars enable a surveillance state? Social media are flooded with posts about 2025's privacy scandals, linking air taxi data to government tracking. The Simpsons predicted smartwatches in 1995's Lisa's wedding. Hover cars follow suit. Lilium's jets are in European trials, and Uber Elevate's partnerships are scaling. Online theories tie this to Agenda 2030, alleging restricted ground travel. The economic impact is massive. Bloomberg predicts a $1 trillion market by 2040. Is this liberation or control? Comment, are hover cars a dream or a trap? Share this video to ignite the debate. A 3D printed food revolution. In The Simpsons' futuristic episodes, machines produce meals on demand: pizza, burgers, Homer's Donuts. In 2025, this is real. Foodini's 3D printers create vegan steaks, NASA's developing printed meals for Mars, and the market's projected to hit $525 million per Forbes. Restaurants serve printed sushi and desserts globally. This could end hunger or reshape diets. But The Simpsons embeds dark hints. Could corporations control printed food with additives or trackers? Social media are flooded with warnings about smart food tied to AI patents. Redefine meats AI mimics textures, with 2025 trials in Europe. The Simpsons food gags, like autocorrect meals in Holidays of Future Past, foreshadow this. Online conspiracies link printed food to nanotech, echoing Bill Gates' alternative protein investments. With 2025's weather extremes causing 20% crop yield drops, per Reuters, this tech is timely and terrifying. Is this a savior or a covert agenda? Comment your dream 3D printed dish, and if you're questioning your plate. Holograms transform reality. In Holidays of Future Past, Springfield uses holographic communication, virtual calls, concerts, pets. In 2025, this is reality. Hologram performances of Tupac sell out, and AR headsets like Apple's Vision Pro are a $3.5 billion industry. By late 2025, holographic meetings could replace Zoom. The Simpsons makes it revolutionary, but there's a shadow. Are we entering a metaverse where big tech controls perception? Social media are flooded with warnings about digital prisons, citing 2025's AR tracking scandals. Microsoft's HoloLens is used in military training, and CES 2025 showcased holographic education. The Simpsons' past tech hits, like video calls in Lisa's wedding, set the stage. Online theories link this to Project Bluebeam, alleging holograms for fake alien invasions. Meta's $10 billion metaverse push in 2025 raises privacy fears your 3D data could be harvested. Is this connection or enslavement? Share your take in the comments and spread this video to expose the truth. Humanity prepares to abandon Earth. In the Martian Chronicles, Springfield trains for Mars colonization, embracing life beyond Earth. In 2025, this is real. SpaceX's Starship is set for crewed missions. NASA's Artemis builds lunar bases, and civilian space training programs are launching. Elon Musk targets Mars settlements by 2030, with 2025 as a milestone. Why the rush? The Simpsons suggests Earth's collapse, climate chaos, geopolitical strife, or alien contact. Social media are flooded with UFO theories after 2025's sky anomalies, with millions of posts. Blue Origin's orbital habitats and Virgin Galactic's suborbital flights make space tourism mainstream. The Simpsons' space nods, like Homer in Deep Space Homer, predict this era. Online conspiracies tie this to elite bunkers, claiming Mars is an escape for the rich amid 2025's 30% rise in disasters per UN reports. NASA's Martian meteorite studies hint at life. Could the Simpsons foresee contact? Is this escape or destiny? Comment, would you train for Mars? Like this video to join the cosmic reckoning. These 5 Simpsons predictions for 2025, from zombie outbreaks to a Martian exodus, are too precise to dismiss. With a history of foreseeing Trump's presidency, 9/11s, and COVID, this show's prophecies demand scrutiny. As 2025 unfolds, these visions could mark the end of our world or a new dawn. If this has you questioning reality, hit the like button, subscribe for weekly revelations, and comment which prediction haunts you most, zombies or leaving Earth. Share this to awaken others. Turn on the notifications so you never miss what's next. This is Stellar Realities, unveiling the hidden truth.